Stunt scooters are favored by those who seek excitement and adventure. They are built for executing stunts and tricks, and are made with sturdy yet lightweight materials, including a reinforced deck and handlebars for better stability. Available in various colors and styles, stunt scooters cater to riders of all skill levels, from beginners to experts. These stylish scooters not only facilitate impressive stunts, but also offer a convenient mode of transportation for everyday use. We've listed the top 5 best stunt scooters and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Vacal K1 Pro Scooters. The Vacal K1 Pro scooter is a reliable and durable option for beginner and intermediate riders looking to step up their scooter game. With a weight capacity of up to 220 pounds, it's perfect for both kids and adults. The scooter's custom components make it capable of handling rough usage. The 110mm alloy neochrome wheels and high-ribboned 88/8 wheels provide a smooth, noise-free ride, making it ideal for executing tricks that require safe landing. The T6061 aluminum deck and one-piece T4-T6 fork enable riders to perform a range of tricks, including bar spin, tail whip, and double backflip. The ABEC 9 bearings provide precision, which is crucial for executing more complex tricks. The Vacal K1 also features thicker soft rubber grips on the handlebars, reducing hand fatigue and providing a comfortable grip. Its sleek design with fresh graphics is sure to make you stand out at the skate park. While some customers have reported minor issues with loose bolts, these can be easily remedied with regular maintenance and tightening. Overall, the Vacal K1 Pro scooter is a high-quality option for anyone looking to take their scooter riding to the next level. It's a fantastic choice for riders of all skill levels who want to improve their skills and have fun doing it. Number 2. Mungus Rise 100 Pro. Looking for a freestyle scooter that can provide a pro-style park performance? Look no further than the Mungus Rise Freestyle Scooter. This lightweight alloy deck scooter features a stylish oil slick finish in front and rear alloy pegs, perfect for pulling off all your favorite stunts. One of the standout features of the Mungus Rise Freestyle Scooter is its MaxGrip deck and steel brake, which provides smooth and non-slip riding for maximum control. The high-impact alloy wheels and durable ABEC 7 bearings also ensure a smooth and comfortable ride, even on rough terrain. The one-piece welded steel T-bar handlebar with bike-style grips is both durable and comfortable, and the quadruple anodized clamp collar with threadless headset ensures precise and crisp steering wherever you go. Plus, the heavy-duty frame supports riders up to 220 pounds, making it perfect for both youth and adult riders. While the Mungus Rise Freestyle Scooter may be on the heavier side, it's still a great choice for experienced riders who are looking for a high-performance scooter that can handle even the most challenging tricks and stunts. So if you're looking for a top-of-the-line freestyle scooter that can help take your riding to the next level, the Mungus Rise Freestyle Scooter is definitely worth checking out. Number 3. Spec Pro Stunt Kick Scooter. The Spec Pro Stunt Scooter is a great option for anyone looking for a stylish and high-performing ride. The rainbow anodized oil slick neochrome design on the matte black deck frame is definitely eye-catching and unique. But the scooter isn't just all looks, it's built with high-quality materials that can withstand the rigors of performing tricks. The 6061 aluminum Pro double head clamp and reinforced steel alloy threaded fork provide the necessary strength and stability for riders to execute various tricks, including hops, tail whips, and tail stamps. The metal flex fender brake is also a useful feature, allowing riders to come to a stop quickly and safely. Another advantage of the Spec Pro Stunt Scooter is its smooth ride. The 88A high-ribbon 110mm wheels and ABEC 7 bearings ensure a smooth and stable experience, even when riding at high speeds. And assembly is a breeze with the included Allen wrench and 3-piece handlebar and deck. However, the scooter's thin deck may be a drawback for some riders who prefer a thicker deck for added stability. Overall, the Spec Pro Stunt Scooter is a great option for anyone who wants a combination of style, durability, and performance in their ride. Number 4. JoyCruise Pro Scooter. The JoyCruise Pro Scooter is an excellent choice for entry-level riders who want to experience the thrill of performing stunts safely and effortlessly. The scooter is designed with top-quality components that ensure a smooth and controlled ride. The reinforced high-tensile alloy fork and aircraft-grade aluminum deck make the scooter sturdy yet lightweight, which is perfect for young riders aged 6+. However, some riders may find the assembly process challenging, which can be frustrating, especially for those who are not familiar with scooters. It requires some technical skills and attention to detail, so it may take some time and effort to get the scooter up and running. Despite the challenging assembly, the JoyCruise Pro Scooter is a durable and user-friendly option that offers a silky smooth glide and incredible control. The new IHC compression system with sealed bearings and reinforced fork, 100mm high-ribbon wheels, and ABEC 7 bearings provide a fantastic riding experience. The MN steel rear brake is also noiseless, fast stop, and durable, making it a reliable choice for riders of all levels. Overall, the Joycruise Pro scooter is an excellent option for anyone looking to experience the thrill of stunts. With a 6-month manufacturer's warranty and a 30-day money-back guarantee, you can trust this scooter to provide an unforgettable riding experience. Number 5. Awesome Stunt Scooter. The Awesome Stunt Scooter Pro is a great entry-level freestyle scooter that offers durability, high-quality construction, and lightweight performance. The aluminum deck makes it easy to handle, and the ABEC 7 bearings provide a smooth ride even at high speeds. The non-slip grip handlebars and soft rubber handles offer excellent control, and the 4PU high ribboned wheels make landings comfortable. The rear wheel fender braking system ensures safe stopping, even when moving at a rapid pace. Assembly is required, but it is straightforward and easy to follow. Overall, the Awesome Stunt Scooter Pro is an excellent choice for beginners looking for a reliable, sturdy, and affordable freestyle scooter. It offers great value for its price, and is perfect for those looking to explore the world of freestyle scootering without breaking the bank. It's all from my end. I make helpful videos every day, so subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you need more information or want to find out the price of the product, see my description. If there are any problems, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.